Think potato dumplings are boring? Wait until you try them with sauerkraut and crispy bacon. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making traditional Slovak Halušky with sauerkraut and crispy bacon. Start by roughly chopping 2 onions. They don't have to be perfect because they will cook down anyway. Once they are chopped, set them aside while we heat the pan. Heat a little oil over medium heat. We like using deep pan for this because later we will be adding all the sauerkraut. If you don't have one, a large pot works just as well. Once the oil is hot, add the onions and cook them slowly until they are soft and lightly golden. While the onions are cooking, drain the sauerkraut in colander. This removes the excess liquid and keeps the final dish from becoming too watery. Now cut the bacon into small pieces. Bite-sized pieces are perfect because you will get a little crispy bacon in every bite. Heat a little oil in another pan and fry the bacon until it's nicely browned and crispy. Meanwhile, let the onions continue cooking slowly. The longer they cook, the sweeter their flavor becomes. Peel the potatoes and grate them as finely as possible. Fine potatoes will give you soft, tender dumplings. Give the onion one last stir so they don't burn. Then add the drained sauerkraut. Pour in about half a cup of water. Season with salt, black pepper, and whole caraway seeds. Then mix everything together. Cover the pan and let it cook gently while we prepare the dumplings. Lightly blend the grated potatoes with an immersion blender. This helps create a smoother dough while still keeping the traditional texture. Add the eggs, a little salt, and gradually mix in the flour. Every potato contains a different amount of water, so don't add all the flour at once. Keep mixing until you have a thick sticky dough that can slowly fall from a spoon. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. We don't have a spaetzle maker, so we made our own from a round baking pan. It may not look fancy, but it works surprisingly well. Scoop some dough onto the homemade spaetzle maker and use a wooden spoon to push it through the holes into the boiling water. If you are making larger batch, cook the dumplings in smaller portions. As soon as they float to the top, they are done, so don't overcook them. Give them a gentle stir so they don't stick together. Drain the cooked dumplings and give them a quick rinse. that helps keep them from sticking together. Return the dumplings to the pot. Add the cooked sauerkraut and onions mix. Then gently mix everything together until every dumpling is coated with all those delicious flavors. Serve the halušky while they are still hot. Top them with the crispy bacon. And finish with freshly chopped spring onion. It's simple, comforting, and absolutely delicious. We like serving our halušky with fresh vegetables, pickles, or even little extra sauerkraut on the side, but choose whatever you enjoy most. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Simple Food Recipes and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next recipe.